What's going on YouTube? Adrian here again. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I've actually been wanting to make this video for a while, just a real talk video, just being 100% honest and just opening up with something that I think is very important. As you can see, it's a lot of photographers, they start photography, start their business, and they end up quitting. And I think it's because of what I'm going to talk about in this video. So let me explain. So having a photography business is not easy. I think a lot of people get into it and they just think it's easy. Let me go buy a camera, start my business. Clients are gonna come flowing in. Everything's gonna be great. I'm gonna be drowning in money, right? But it's really not easy. And let me tell you, since I've started my business, I've spent a lot of nights just upset, stressing, just a lot of frustration because it's tough. I don't want this to come off as if I'm complaining because I love photography. I love having a business. I love, meeting my clients, everything about photography, but I'd be lying if I said it was easy and it's not stressful. So if you're a type of person who can't move on from certain things, maybe your mistakes or just other things, and you take everything personal, then you won't make it as a photographer. When I first started out, I tried to be perfect. I have this problem of trying to be perfect with everything, whether it's the shoot, if the client likes the photos, whatever it is when it comes to photography. And you cannot be perfect. You're going to make mistakes. Maybe you're going to have a shoot that's not your best shoot. Maybe you're going to have a client who's not happy with their photos. Stuff is going to happen. You have to just learn to just move on, move on to the next thing. And that's something that's helped me a lot within my business. When something happens, maybe the shoot didn't go as well as planned, I just learned to put it in the back and move forward and just keep doing the best that I can. And also, you're gonna get ghosted by clients. You're gonna get people who try to talk down your prices. And it does suck, especially if you put a lot of time and work into your craft and you've gotten a lot better. Those things can get to you if you let them. And like I said, something that's really helped me out is just not letting this stuff get to me. It's just things that are gonna happen. And I wanna inform you about these things so when it happens, you kind of already have it in your mind and you don't take it personal. Let it beat you down and really get to you. And honestly, that's another thing that I really want to touch on, and that's separating, the business and your personal feelings. Do not put your personal feelings into stuff. Don't get offended. Don't take stuff the wrong way. Just do the best you can and move forward, because you're gonna get all kinds of stuff from clients. Well, we really haven't had super difficult clients, but we have been put in situations that just aren't ideal. And you got people talking you down, or maybe they go to another photographer, and you cannot take that stuff personal. It's gonna eat you up. You're gonna get frustrated. You're gonna wanna quit. I've been there many times where I wanted to quit just from frustration and dealing with people. If you don't wanna deal with people, honestly, photography may not be for you, because that's probably the hardest part about it, is dealing with clients. I'm being 100% honest. Taking the photos are easy, editing, all that stuff is easy to me. The business side is probably the most challenging side, like marketing and all that stuff. But the people, listen, if you don't want to deal with that and people, you're not a people person, this may not be the profession for you. I'm just saying. If you are somebody who just can't move forward from your mistakes, it's really a mindset shift. Photography is really, it's a lot to do with your mindset behind the business, behind photography. You just need to keep a positive mindset, and you can't let stuff, really stress you out and get to you all the time, because you're going to be put in all kinds of situations and people saying stuff to you that's not nice. You know what I mean? So it's really about shifting your mindset. I feel like once I got my mindset down, once my wife got her mindset down, we started to move forward. We didn't stress about the little things. We didn't try to be perfect. We just went out there, did the best we could, and remained positive, even in not the best situations. And I think that's very important. Your mindset has to be there. It has to be positive, and you just got to learn to move forward from everything. So yeah, be ready to deal with these things. Be ready to deal with difficult clients. Be ready to be mad. Be ready to be frustrated. But just know that, there's positive in every situation. And like my mom says, as long as you're doing the best that you can, that's all that really matters. So do the best that you can. Try to learn to move forward from things. Don't let everything get to you. Don't be, crying about photo shoots or clients, saying mean stuff to you or whatever it may be. Just learn to move forward, keep progressing, keep learning. And photography, will do great for you. It's like I said, it's all about the mindset. So if you're interested in learning more about photography, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about photography, the business side of photography. So if you're looking for that type of content, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.